Are you looking for the best 3D printers Reddit? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers Reddit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KINGROON KP3S Pro 3D Printer. KINGROON KP3S Pro is a cantilever-style 3D printer with linear guide rails on both X and Z axis to enhance printer head stability and accuracy for increased printing quality. Based on a Titan direct drive extruder with a 3:1 gear ratio, KINGROON KP3S Pro is able to print various 3D printing materials, including commonly used PLA, flexible materials like TPU and PETC. Compared with KP3S, KP3S Pro has an increased print volume of 200 x 200 mm, which further expands the printer's capability for your daily 3D printing tasks. With TMC 2225 stepper drivers, all motors on KP3S Pro operate quietly. A quiet printing is certainly a plus for not disturbing your family. With a built-in switching power supply, KP3S Pro operates much safer and offers more convenience to be placed when compared with 3D printers having independent switching power supplies. Number 2. CREALITY Ender 3 3D Printer. CREALITY Ender 3 3D Printer equipped with super quiet printing designing, with smooth adjustable pulley, and if a power is accidentally cut off during printing, accurate printing can be continued after power is switched on. With the power supply protection device and resume printing function, no need to worry about the accidental outage, avoiding the waste of filaments. CREALITY Ender 3 for beginners enables DIY enthusiasts to assemble the machine themes within 2 hours and have fun, and compact size is quite convenient to carry away. CREALITY Ender 3 3D Printer for home use adopts an innovative V-profile and pulley for stable running, featuring low noise, wear resistance and a longer service life. CNC machining of the Y-rail mounting groove to make sure precise positioning and keep the solid frame with the high precision printing quality. And big hand twist nut makes the print platform easy to level. By eliminating the high retail markup, Sane Smart is able to offer a sensible package with unrivaled quality in the entry-level space. The compact design allows Ender 3 to fit in the trunk of your car or even back seat, while still providing 6x more build volume than other entry-level printers. The Ender 3 FDM 3D printer uses the MK8 extrusion mechanism, a brand new patented infrastructure that effectively reduces the risk of plugging and poor spillage and can print most of 3D printer filament on the market, such as 1.75 PLA/ABS/TPU. CREALITY Ender 3 3D printer can reach 110 C for hotbed in about 5 minutes, which meets the needs of fast heating. Besides, CREALITY Ender 3 is an open-sourced 3D printer for every community of users and contributors. Number 3. Geeetech 10M FDM 3D Printer. Geeetech 10M 3D Printer, adopting open-source GT 2560 control board, delivers mixed-color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life. Keeping the good performance of its predecessor A10, it aims to provide users with quality printout and satisfactory printing experience. The modularized design provides you with an easier assembly experience. Its classic blue and black color combo imparts a touch of simplicity and excellence, embodying Geeetech's commitment to quality products. Keeping Prusa i3 3D printer's gantry structure and with its build volume as 220 x 220 260 cubic millimeters, A10M makes the best of the building platform and enables you to view the printing details in 360 degrees. Printing at the accuracy of 0.1 mm, it delivers objects with smooth surface finish, clear angles and strong structure. Besides, A10M comes with filament detector and break resuming capability, greatly enhancing your 3D printing experience. Its well-designed extruder greatly reduces the risk of clogging or leaking. A10M extruder cover features 360 degrees ventilation design, greatly enhancing the dissipation of heat and guaranteeing excellent printing quality. A 10mm extruder motor uses a gear train of 3:1 speed ratio, amplifying input torque and improving your printing experience. Adopting the modularized design for extruder wiring, A10M makes it easy to exchange the wire. The V-shaped wheels and rails on each axis, made from wear-resistant aluminum profile, could, in a large measure, reduce the printing noise and offer you a quiet 3D printing environment. Number 4. Tronxy Gemin-S 3D Printer. Integrated structure assembled in 2 steps. The whole machine is composed of 2 parts, the upper frame and bottom base, which saves the cumbersome assembly process. High-performance silent motherboard. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing processes quieter, more accurate, and more stable. Intelligent memory. Power failure. Resume printing. Intelligent printing, automatically remember the printing progress, and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Warning of broken filament detection. Gemin-S is equipped with a high-sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. Equipped with Titan extruder compatible with various consumables. Gemin-S uses Titan extruder. Suitable for all kinds of filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PETC, wood, TPU. Number 5. BIQU BX FDM 3D Printer. The BIQU BX 3D Printer built-in SKRC BX V2.0 32 bits silent motherboard with imported ARM Cortex 400 MHz processor, which has a large capacity flash to allow faster running speed of the control system, sensitive reaction, higher printing precision, and safe thermal runaway protection. Compared to other extruders in the market, especially the dual-head printer, which has large inertia in motion and is relatively difficult to accelerate deceleration, it has to use a lower printing speed to ensure accuracy. Our H2 extruder with a super lightweight, which can solve this problem easily. Our BIQU BX FDM printer comes with a super large TFT70 touch screen. It can realize the 3 working modes of touch screen mode, Marlin, and Octoprint mode. What's more, it supports 1 key switching of 3 modes. BIQU BX 3D printer can connect Raspberry Pi board directly to use Octoprint, proving more functional support for 3D printing, including printer network monitoring and recording video, and model slicing functions. Equipped with famous mean well power supply, solving the issue of short circuit/overload/overvoltage/overtemperature after lasting use for a long time. In addition, the power is more stable and safe during printing.